Today we're going to demonstrate calibrating the SLS valves on your S-485. From the grade control screen, you will need to press and hold the first soft key, then the fourth soft key, let them go. That will bring you to your hidden tuning menu. You'll then scroll down to the calibration wave, select the OK. You'll then use your second soft key to arrow over to the SLS icon, select OK. It's going to give you your features of how the machine needs to be configured for the SLS calibration. The machine's temperature needs to be, hydraulic system needs to be at 100 to 150 degrees. The head itself needs to be 100% up. You want to be off of the machine so it's as level as possible, and you're going to raise the RPMs on the engine. You'll then select OK once you've completed that. It's asking you now if you would like to calibrate. OK is yes, and you've now entered the auto calibration. The system will go through steps of 25, 50, and 75%. Once it reaches 100, the calibration is complete.